Hey YouTube. Okay guys, so I'm going to make fried chicken, but not just any fried chicken. I am going to try Quang Tran fried chicken, original fried chicken, right? So I've been hearing people talk about this guy and stuff, and I keep seeing this thing about the fried chicken. So this is the chicken. Have 5 pieces here. I'm gonna add salt. Okay, I'm going to add a hot chili powder, and I'm going to add Louisiana hot sauce. Okay, and then going to mix. So guys, and then you're gonna let this marinate for 3 hours minimum, right? So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell. And I just want to give a shout out to all my supporters and subscribers that's been watching me and following my videos. Like, I appreciate you all. I do. And we're gonna get into it. So I'm gonna let this marinate for, see this? I'm gonna let it marinate for 3 hours, and then I'll be back, y'all. Later. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Hey guys. Okay, so I thought I was recording, and now look, I wasn't. This is the mix that I'm gonna do before I do the chicken. Plain flour, 1 cup of club soda, okay, and 3 eggs is what I put in here so far. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of flour in the wet batter, and I am going to add a tablespoon of a little bit of salt. Just a tablespoon. Okay, and then we're going to mix that. So I'm currently mixing the wet batter. Okay, so next we're gonna do the seasoned flours. 2 cups of flour. Okay, 2 cups of flour. Then you got a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Okay guys, 1/2 tablespoon only. So we're gonna do 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Okay, and then we are going to do black pepper, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of black pepper. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of hot chili powder. Okay, 1 tablespoon. And if you don't have hot chili powder, you can just use chili powder, I guess, you know. And you got a 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder. We're going to do that. 1/2 tablespoon. Oh, hold on, guys. Sorry. Okay. Onion powder. We got that. And we need a tablespoon of some white pepper, or 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, and paprika is 1. Where's my paprika? Or paprika, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Okay, got that there. And we have 1 teaspoon of some thyme. Where's my thyme? I'm getting the wrong one, guys. I'm getting the wrong one. 1 teaspoon of thyme. Probably put a little bit too much, but okay. And 1 teaspoon of some basil. Okay, we're just gonna put a teaspoon. of some basil, okay, and a teaspoon of oregano. A teaspoon of oregano. Okay, got that there. Okay, and then we have a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm running out of garlic powder, but I have a backup. All right, guys, so we're just gonna mix this all up, okay? Mix this all up really, really well. Okay, guys, so I'm finished with all my mix, dry and wet, and chicken marinated long enough, okay? With drumsticks, 15 to 16 minutes cooking. If you're doing thighs, it's like about 16 to 18 minutes. So we're gonna put it in the plain flour first, okay? Put it in the plain flour. Shake off whatever you don't need. Okay, shake it, shake it. Wet batter. Either shake it off or let all that excess drip off, okay? Let it drip off. And then you make sure you put it in that seasoning flour and make sure it stick. Press on that bad boy. We want to make sure it gets on that chicken, okay? And be sure to shake it all the extra off because you don't want it to be thick, the batter, okay? So all of that, just gonna place it on a tray on the side. I'm gonna do the next one. I was told if your kitchen don't get messy, you is not cooking. That's what I heard, y'all. That is what I heard. Okay. Shake that off. Put that in the wet. Let that drip off. Or shake it. How y'all guys' weekend was last weekend? Did y'all enjoy it? I hope y'all did. I hope y'all did. What did y'all cook? Did y'all cook anything? You know? Shake off any extra, y'all. Any extra, shake it off. Shake it off. I would appreciate it if you feel free to share my videos to friends, family, anybody, and everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. This is the chicken, guys. That's about to go in. Sorry guys, yeah, I had to make sure I clean up everything and wipe down everything before I continue. Okay, so we're putting these chickens in and we're gonna see how this comes out. Alright, so it's been 15 to 16 minutes and look at this. Look at that. Can't wait to try it. I'm just gonna take these out, okay, and put the rest in, but I'm gonna let the oil get the heat rise back on the oil before I do that, okay? But look at these, look at this chicken, y'all, and it is hard. Oh my gosh, I really can't wait to try it. I really can't wait. Alright guys, this is the last batch. And I think safe to say I can put the rest in. Okay. Okay. And we'll be back when this is done. Okay, let's see this last batch here. Okay, these babies looking really juicy, guys. Take that out, place it here on the rack. I'm gonna let it cool down before I dig into this because I am not getting burnt for nobody. Let me tell you, when that skin of yours burns inside your gums, on the top of your mouth inside, that, and it start peeling, it burns. I do not like it. Look at this, y'all. Oh my god. Okay. Guys, look at the chicken. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Yes. And oh my gosh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. This is it. You see that skin? All right, guys, this is the chicken. I'm gonna take a bite just so y'all can see. Oh my god. Look at that. You see that? The flavor. Guys, this was so good. This is so good. So good, for real. Look at it. Excuse me. It's really good. And crunchy is ridiculous. I love his fried chicken. Really, really good, guys. That is it for me. Thank you for watching. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all so much. But please try this recipe. It is really, really good. It is really good. But this is it. Yes. Thank you, y'all. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any videos that I post. Love y'all.